Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. In this video I will show you how to add a smoke effect to an image. Create a new blank layer. Set your foreground color to white. Select your brush tool. Starting from the wick of the candle, draw a vertical wavy line. Then go to Filter, Blur Gallery, and choose Path Blur. Next you will see a pink and blue arrow. That is only if Edit Blur Shapes is selected. If not, click on it. Drag the blue arrowhead into the candle wick and the tail will be at the end of the line. Hover and click on the line to add more points. Follow the curve of the wavy line. Now you may adjust both the pink arrowhead and the points that you have added until you get the desired result. Once done, click OK. You may also want to warp the bottom part of the smoke so that it looks like it is coming from the candle wick. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.